Hello everybody and fellow hairdressers. I'm Liz, as you know, and my daughter Delia.
Hi.
Today we are on webinar 3, part 2. Last week on the 17th you learned how to do the machine weaving, and today the hand knotting weaving is what we're going to be learning on the
24th January 2022.
Yes, so that's the second part. And this is going to be a very a different skill altogether again. It's not, we don't use a needle, we use actually threads, and there we take the hair, we hand knot it through the threads and push it along and then start again, and it ends up like a curtain of hair. And it's very useful. I'll tell you why, because it's very flexible. You can bend it and twist it when you're finished, and particularly in the 3-stem plait, that is where why we actually started doing it. But it's very versatile because you can put it into a wig, you can put it into your client's hair as an extension.
That's become quite popular just recently.
And we can use ethnic hair, we can use Asian, Indian, and but it is a very nice skill. So I really hope that you guys will join us and we can end up enjoying that time together.
Absolutely. See you then.
Bye bye.
Bye.